The iPhone 15 Pro is anticipated to be a high-performance device, but it appears to have a drawback: overheating. Recent reports indicate that the phone's A17 Pro chip, manufactured by TSMC, is susceptible to overheating, even during regular use. Notably, the A17 Pro is Apple's and the world's first 3-in chip. Although this contributes to improved performance, it also seems to be causing the chip to overheat. In March, tipster Revegnus tweeted about TSMC's struggle with the 3-in process, suggesting that Apple may have lowered its standards for the A17 Pro chip, potentially accepting chips that would have otherwise been rejected. Revegnus recently shared a heat map of the iPhone 15 Pro, revealing that the area around the A17 Pro chips experiences the highest temperatures, reaching an unsurprising 48 degrees Celsius or 118.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Power Volume believes that Apple increased the wattage of the A17 Pro chip to achieve desired benchmark results. However, this elevated power consumption could lead to reduced battery life and expedited heat buildup in the phone. Due to the iPhone 15 Pro's rapid heat generation, the device eventually throttles its performance to prevent damage to internal components. Furthermore, with temperatures reaching as high as 118.4 degrees Fahrenheit, the phone poses a risk of causing first-degree burns, especially concerning since it lacks a cooling solution. Reviewer TechTables has confirmed the severe throttling of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's A17 Pro chip. After just 2 minutes of usage, performance decreased by nearly 25, and after 20 minutes of due load, it dropped to almost 34. However, the benchmark scores were still impressive for mobile chips. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro appears to be a powerful device, but it comes with an overheating and throttling concern. Therefore, if you plan to purchase the latest Pro models, it would be wise to wait for more reviews that assess the impact of these issues on real-world performance.